Things got to this unbearably frustrating point where we had tried everything, therapy, communicating, date nights, but the divide in our relationship just kept getting worse.
JP was always doing hot yoga, CrossFit, and other things to compensate for his inadequacies. Things that always made him sweaty and smelly down there.
The more I did manly activities to make myself sexier for Amber, the more she was repulsed by me. It didn't make any sense.
Think about a wet trash bag in New York City sitting in the blazing sun of the summer, and then trying to get turned on by it.
Amber became distant sexually. We were drifting apart big time. I was certain our relationship was doomed. So I started working out even harder trying to improve for Amber. So I took up hardcore road bicycling.
He'd come home from a 2-hour bike ride in his frighteningly tight spandex shorts. What was underneath was a tour de funk.
Made it much worse.
In a last-ditch effort to salvage his funky junk and our relationship, I did something bold. I bought JP from Monda. It's an all-natural nut powder. It's an incredible all-natural men's care powder that fixes the funk down there.
Initially, I was offended that Amber was trying to make my crotch smell better. 1, I love to get offended. 2, I didn't know I had a problem down there.
He doesn't exactly have a degree in self-crotch awareness.
I don't have a degree in anything. But I think it was Lao Tzu who said, you can lead a horse to all-natural nut powder, but you can't make him use it. Luckily, this horse decided to use it.
And it worked! The Fermanda all-natural nut powder eliminated his wretched crotch smell that had been driving me away. Our broken relationship is a thing of the past. We're stronger than ever now.
I finally have my lady back because my nuts don't smell unnaturally awful anymore. Thanks to my favorite all-natural nut powder. They smell better than natural. And Amber can't get enough of me. She's very sexual with me. It's almost a problem.
It really is.
It's a good problem to have.
What would we say to other couples out there who are having challenges in their relationships? There's hope. True love is something we all want, and the way to get it is with better smelling balls.
All-natural nut powder saved our dying relationship, and it can save yours too. Lao Tzu would tell you, you just have to be the horse that uses it. What's up, friends? Hey, real quick, I want to thank Fermanda for sponsoring this video. My wife and I have become big fans. Fermanda is an all-natural talc-free powder for men that keeps you unapologetically fresh and fragrant down there. Aside from it working wonders, I also love the fact that it's talc-free. Talc has been linked to various cancers, so personally I want to avoid talc like the plague. And because I'm the most health-conscious person in the world, according to me, I love the fact that Fermanda is blended with essential oils. It gives my crotch the scent of being in my own downline. Fermanda is also certified vegan, it's animal and earth friendly, and talc and paraben free. Fermanda also donates 10% of its profits to testicular cancer awareness and prevention. I think we could all use a little more awareness about testicles. We could all use a lot more awareness about testicular cancer prevention. Fermanda is legitimately my favorite all-natural nut powder. I love it, and I think you'll love it too. Check it out at fermanda.com.